So today, DraftKings got a big lift from Madame Wood, head of ARK Invest, where she mentions why they are now invested in DraftKings. Let's hear what she has to say.
DraftKings is becoming a platform for sports betting.
Yeah, the platform in the US for online sports betting. They have major partnerships with the NHL, Major League Baseball, ESPN, and more. But please continue.
States in crisis with huge deficits are going to capitulate one after another.
Yeah, this is key. So in COVID, states had to take a lot of the financial burdens. The federal government didn't provide a whole lot of support for a lot of states. And so states' coffers were raided. And so instead of raising income taxes on people, create new sources of income via sports betting.
One of the most mature betting states, New Jersey, its revenues were up 100%.
100%. That is huge. So just like when marijuana got legalized or recreationalized in the US, Colorado is the first state. Many states didn't really come on board. They wanted to see what was happening. But once they started to see the tax revenue that was coming into Colorado, they all started to follow suit. The genie was let out of the bottle and they could not put it back in. New Jersey is to sports betting what Colorado was to marijuana becoming legalized or recreationalized in the US. So in my opinion, it's only a matter of time before the other states follow. Once they see a couple of years of tax revenue collected by New Jersey, they're going to want in on the same game and they're going to start finding ways to legalize it. Now, like I said last year, when we bought DraftKings at $26, which you can see our video in the link in that top corner there, a couple of the key points that I wanted to mention was, one, don't underestimate people's passion for sports. Two, don't underestimate their passion to gamble. And when you put those two together, that becomes a very powerful stock to invest in. Now, a couple other things that Cathie mentions in the video is how DraftKings has improved its margins and reduced its costs. That was one of the big concerns with DraftKings because they were spending a lot per employee to get the revenue that they did. Well, now they've been figuring out ways to reduce their cost basis, and that's really going to enhance profitability going forward. Now, full disclosure, I am long shares on DraftKings right now. I have a long-term position on it. I am planning on holding for at least 3 to 6 months, maybe again for the rest of the year. It was my star performer last year when we bought at 26, exited out about 54 of our full position, and we plan on doing a similar trade this year. And in my opinion, with ARK now invested in it, they're just going to bring more attention to DraftKings. Other players are going to start to look at it. They're going to start to want to come in. They're going to start to put money on it. I think that's only going to help boost the price on DraftKings. If you like this video, hit the bid, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the green.